Good morning. Myself Kritika from CubikSoft Technologies. Today we are going to see the advanced software in model making. The software is called as 3ds Max. So 3ds Max is a software where you can able to create different kinds of modules for the building structures, and we can able to apply the advanced materials for the structures, and we can able to create the clear rendering pattern of the module. So today we are just going to have an overlook or the introduction of this 3ds Max. So this is the menu bar. As you know, in all the softwares we'll be having these kind of menu bars and the toolbars. So in the menu bar we'll be having file, new, save as, and all those things, and you can export and import the modules. Edit command is used for cut, copy, paste, and move all those options and rotations. And this toolbar is used for placing the snapshots and also the array command and mirror, all those things. And this grouping, you can able to do the group for a building. That is the components can be made as a group, and view options, what kind of views is required. And in the create option, we are just going to create all the modules. We can able to create a wall, and can able to create the doors, windows, everything can be done. So then this modifying toolbar, so whenever we create something, we have to do some kind of modifications, and also we can able to place the camera. The most advanced version of this is V-Ray. That is, V-Ray is the process where you can able to do rendering by using the V-Ray. So the rendering output will be a very clarity one. So that is the main difference of using this Rivet and all other softwares when compared to your 3ds Max. Okay. And so today let me show you something where you can able to make these kind of simple modules, like by using a box you can able to create a surface model. So just we have to create a box, and the parameters can also be changed at the side, and convert this into an editable polygon. So you can able to convert this by using a vertex. You can just give and move option. By just giving the move and just giving the rotations, we can able to make the models clearly. Okay, so I'm just giving this it a 9 frame. So by using the W option, just giving a move option. So see, so I can able to move each and every vertex as per my requirements. So even the faces can also be moved. Okay. So this is the whole object can be moved from its positions. So this is how we have to create by using a simple box. You can able to create any kind of 3D models as per your requirements, and also we can able to put the material applications and all those things. So by using a simple kind of models, you can able to create the building models also. So let me show you a model by using a building feature. So instead of using this, we have to go with the extended parameters. So we have to go with the AEC extensions. So where we have an wall option. So you can able to provide the wall thicknesses and all. So if it is a 9 inches wall, you can just give it as 9 inch. And if it is a 10 feet height wall, then you have to provide it as 10 feet. You can able to create a wall like this. Okay. So this is how we can able to create a wall, and you can just convert this into a shading of options also. So you can able to create a wall like this, and you can just import a AutoCAD plan, and you can convert all those things in the required format as you require. Okay. So this is a basic class. I'm just giving an intro session for your 3ds Max. So for further details, you can just directly come to our institute, and you can just join for the advanced courses in the 3ds Max. I hope you understood the requirements of using the 3ds Max, and you can just develop your career by getting into the 3ds Max field. Thank you.